Hello, this is Glenn Kromoff with Kromoff Consulting, here today to talk about building winning teams by debriefing constantly. Over 25 years of being part of and building teams, one thing I've noticed is that one of the most important factors is successful teams debrief constantly. They are always looking at what can improve. One of the most important things is to create a culture of constant improvement. And there are a number of ways to do that. I have a process I use, and I call it the improvement cycle. The first part of the improvement cycle is that you plan the work. You plan what you're going to do, and then you schedule the work, and then you move to completing the work. And then one thing, usually that's where it stops. That's where we stop debriefing. And then what I believe is the next step is you report. So you're reporting out what you do. You need to talk about what you do. The people who are listening, watching, customers, management, leadership are all wanting to know what's happening. And then comes debrief. And then once the debrief is done, you then start the cycle all over again. I believe you do it with every activity, especially at the beginning. You do it with every little detail, every little project you do as an individual or a team, and start running through that cycle all the time. What you do as you're debriefing, though, the debrief process only consists of 3 questions. What did we do well? And you want to keep doing that. What did we need to improve on? And then what are we going to do different next time? That's it. Do it each time, every time you do an activity. At the beginning, it's very important that you write it down. You write down so you get used to the cycle. Eventually, when you're doing pieces of debrief, you will not need to write it down necessarily. Big projects, yes. Smaller details, no. Again, constantly doing this is successful teams do this naturally, and it becomes a natural part of everything they do. It's not an addition to their work, it becomes part of their work. So again, plan, schedule, complete, report, and debrief. I'm Glenn Kromoff with Kromoff Consulting, and you can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and at @kromoff.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos coming about team building in the near future. Thank you.